Bring on the holiday spirit with chocolate Christmas houses. By using a series of wonderfully easy-to-use molds, you can create your own gingerbread-style chocolate house using basic confectionery coating chocolates. We use Klassen and Merkins here in the classroom and in our shop in a variety of different colors. Simply fill that mold, tap out the air bubbles, then chill for quick release. This house is super easy to set up too. Once you have your parts and pieces out of the mold, just a little bit of melted chocolate to glue those panels together, and it sets up really fast, making quick work of building your Christmas gingerbread style house out of chocolate. Once you get the final panels in place, one quick dribble of icing, chocolate icing there on the top, glues it together, and then the chimney finishes off the top of the roof. Then it's just a matter of adding chocolate details here and there, chocolate melted everywhere, chocolate dripping from the roof, covered in sprinkles. As you can see, it's so easy to do. Just add your melted chocolate, sprinkle on your sprinkles, add your little details, your snowflakes. And then once that roof panel is completely decked out, I'm gonna move right on to the yard area. Candies, accessories, Santa and his sleigh, all of the little details that you need to make for one amazing chocolate style house. I am super excited to have my own chocolate gingerbread house, and I'm ready to celebrate the holidays in style. You can find all of these goodies inside our shop at Art is in Cakes. We're located between John Barrow and Shackelford on Markham. Or you can find all of these goodies on our website at artisincakes.com. Build your chocolate house by visiting us in store, getting all of your parts and pieces, your chocolate, your sprinkles, and make it a fast and family-friendly, fun adventure.